Yo, Niche, what's up, man? Good morning, bro. See if today's a better day. We are down a lot. Um, a lot of like 200 plus points overnight. Just kept going lower. Not sure if they will reverse and go higher. I don't think so. I don't think they will. But yeah, I think they can go lower. Potentially, they could go lower. We did sweep this. All this here was swept here. So they could definitely go higher. They have a reason to. Do I think they're gonna go for this low? You can't spell millions without a couple L's. Yeah. It takes some time, man. We just take our losses, our wins, and we call it. Still trying to figure it out, but yeah. I thought we were gonna go down today, then go back up. I think we're going down. But I don't know about going back up. They can. They have a reason to. Because they swept all this over here. So it gives them a reason to go up. But that looks kind of difficult. But you might be right. They might go back down, then go back up. Because they could go down, then go up. That could be it. What are the odds of them going for this low? Because if they do go for this low, they're gonna do it pretty quickly. Today's a Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Is it possible they do it today? Maybe. Honestly, I'm not sure. Not sure if I want to go short or go long. Either or. I'm gonna wait. I want to see them how they react based off this gap here. If they inverse this gap, I will play towards the upside. But if they reject off this gap here, I will look for a short setup, and they'll most likely go lower. If they're gonna reject here, they're most likely gonna go lower. Because we're down a lot. We're down a lot, and you may think that they're probably gonna reverse. They might not, and they can always go much lower than most people think. That's why I'm comfortable shorting down low if they start rejecting off some of these gaps over here. You just touched the hourly fair value gap and went up. Alright, let me see. Okay, this right here. They did touch it. But this is the second time they touched it. They touched it and they bounced off it, but doesn't mean they're gonna completely reverse off it. Like, let me show you. Like this gap here, they touch this gap and they inverse this gap. So technically we should go higher, right? But they don't go higher here. They went higher, but they could always go back down if the bias is down, like this fair value gap here. this hourly fair value gap, they touched it and they're going higher, but that doesn't mean they're gonna go like all the way up here. They could always inverse the hourly fair value gap, so it's kind of a iffy thing for me. If you do use it, then that's nothing wrong with that. I don't use the hourly fair value gap, honestly. But yeah, let's see what they do here at the open. What year does he teach inverse? Not sure, honestly. I just picked it up piece by piece. Try the 2024 mentorship. 2024 mentorship might be good. Okay, so we're inversing this gap here. Market just open. See what they do. Okay, they're going for this low here. Okay, they just took out this low. I'm gonna see what they want to do. Very trippy. It's hard to short down here. For me, it's hard to short down here because you get that feeling that they're gonna go back up. I want to short, but it's difficult when there's no setup to short. Say I take a short here on this gap. I'll short on the retest of this gap up here, because if I short on this entry, it's too tight. I will short here on the retest of this gap. Tricep short. if we create a 30-second fair value gap, I'll enter short there. We didn't get filled here, so that's totally fine. We're just gonna wait. Take this line off. Okay, we have a 30-second fair value gap here. I will short here. Okay, in line with OB. We have a 1 minute fair value gap also. If this thing closes. I'm not sure if he uses the 30-second, but he does use it. Man, this thing's just going lower. Is there any way we could hop in? Just gonna wait. Be a little patient. I'll try one here if we get filled. Smaller stop. The market gap? Oh, the opening range? They're gonna fill eventually, but not sure if they will do it today. Like fully? Eventually they will. They fill almost all gaps eventually. But the thing is, you don't know when or how they're gonna do it. That's the tricky part. Try and see if we get filled here. Oh shoot. They barely touched it. Come on, fill us. Ah, no way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to miss out on this one. We have to get in somewhere else. Dude, they are delivering this like crazy, man. Jesus. Not giving us an entry, bro. I missed this gap on the 1 minute because I was looking at the 30-second chart. But this was the gap I'm looking at. Or I was looking at on the 30-second. So I missed it on the 1 minute. Gotta sit down and wait. Try to short this. See if we get filled. No way we don't get filled, right? News was all green. It's definitely red, man. Green news means red. Come on, please, bro. Fill us. We miss so many entries by like ticks. We missed one here. They didn't fill us not to the perfect tick. We're off by like a few points. Literally by like 3 points. And here they missed it by a few ticks also. Can we get in on the 15-second? Not really, because there's like no obvious gap for us to short here. 5-second, even on the 5-second, it's not very easy to short this. There are obvious gaps, but they fill it up. We just gotta be patient for our entry. Can't do anything about it. Who's the other viewer? It's probably a ghost viewer or somebody that we don't know. It was John. He would have said something, bro. Man, this is brutal. They do not want to fill us. Let's look on the 4-hour chart. I think they might go for this low right here. This very wick or low. They might go get it today. Dude, this is insane, man. Okay. They might want to do this time around. You gotta be patient for this gap for them to touch it. Dude, we gotta look at the 5-second chart at this rate, man. I know the other viewers. He just messaged me. He's my friend, coworker. All right, we might get filled here on the 30-second gap. Fill and stop us out at the same time here. All right, we're in short. Finally, we got a decent fill. See if they want to keep going lower, or this is the reversal. They already dropped like 500 points, right? Why can't they do it for another 9 points? No way they don't take the sell side. Sell side on where? The hourly chart? Are you talking about this sell side? These wicks over here? That's what we are aiming for right now. But we're about to get stopped out. Just cause. See if we get stopped out. Might get stopped out here. Okay, we're stopped out. I don't trust this move up. Okay, we dipped in this gap here. See, they want to go back down. Dude, if they take this gap out, they're gonna go for these highs over here. Okay, I think they want to go higher. The fact that we're up like this, they're gonna go higher. Can here, do you feel this? On the retest of this gap. Okay, we're back in. This is our last trade of the day. If they were bearish, they would have rejected off this gap at least. But it's not much of a rejection. They just overtook it just like that. That's why we're going back higher, I think. Okay, never mind. That's our second loss, man. Yeah, that's where I caught. Another losing day. We have not been hitting. Alright, this is where I caught. Thanks for coming, guys. Took another loss, but that's okay. Come back tomorrow. Alright, peace.